Hey guys, welcome to Hello RC. This is Jason, and today I'm going to start this video a little differently. I have the Axial Gladiator, the scx10.3, down here on the bench, and I just got done doing a little work to this. I had stripped the electronics and the shocks and some things off of it several months ago to move to other trucks, and I finally got around to putting the parts back in it, or some different parts anyways. And for today's run, we're going to head out to the course here in a minute, but before we do, I want to show you what I did under the hood. I threw the hobbywing 1080 in it. I've got a Dumbo RC radio. I also hooked up the 2-speed and got rid of the dig. And then I've got the Holmes Hobbies 8-turn Crawlmaster Sport up front. And I've got the longer shocks off of the CJ7 or the early Bronco. I think they're 10 millimeters longer than the stock shock, which allows me to put these 2.2s on it. So I got the Canyon Trail 2.2s. I think they look pretty good. But I do have a little concern with this. I pulled this motor out of my used motor pile. And you can't really see it, but it's in there. But it didn't throw any sparks or make any, didn't smell bad. So I think it might be okay, but I'm a little concerned because I ran this same combination in the Bronco here a couple days ago and absolutely smoked the motor. But these tires are quite a bit bigger than the 2.2s on this. So maybe it was the increased tire size that actually put the strain, or maybe it was just the motor itself was no good. Another reason I wanted to start this video down here on the bench is Liz has been after me for a while now to clean up my RC workspace downstairs. And I actually started organizing some things, and hopefully I'm going to create a nice little scale garage space here to work on some RCs. Easy Boy RC has an awesome scale garage, so that's definitely given me some inspiration to make mine better, something a little cooler, fun to look at, fun to work on. But this is just the beginning, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But enough of that, let's take this truck out to the course and see how it does. Here we are in a snow-covered Crawler County. It's in the mid-20s out here, and we're going to put this thing to the test now. So let's drive it around, see how it performs with this new motor. Hopefully it doesn't burn up like the one did in the Bronco, but let's see what happens. One thing for sure, I bet this guy in here wishes that his windows rolled up, but oh well, he'll get over it. I really am anxious to try out this 2-speed. Hopefully I can find somewhere to where I can open it up a little bit. We did get about an inch of fresh snow last night. Nice little powdery snow, which is sticking to my tires right now. And I think this is going to be the last day of below freezing temperatures for a while, so this snow is going to start melting come tomorrow. Definitely got a lot of wheel speed. Let's see how the slow crawl is. Not bad for a brushed setup. Got a nice drag brake coming down the hill. So far I don't sense any sort of strain on the motor or ESC whatsoever. Really like the size of these tires with the Gladiator lifted a little bit. I think it looks really good. These are just the stock plastic rims that come with the High Trail. I think these were maybe on the K10, maybe the K5. I'm not sure which ones these came on. But it'd be nice to unglue these and put them on some proper V blocks maybe in the future. South side of the three-headed dragon here, around to the north side, and of course there's a lot more snow on the north side. Right here, not bad. Uh-oh, about drove off the path here. Here's where the bigger tires really help this 13.9 inch wheelbase out, getting over these breakover type obstacles. Still not the best, but definitely better than the 1.9s. Around here, see if we can get some grip on the back side of the hippo. Not bad. All right, that was kind of impressive. Right here. Try that again. There we go. Should add that there's a 40 kg hex fly torque spec servo in this truck. I don't think I talked about that on the bench. All right, pretty good. Do a little first gear speed test here. All right, runs pretty good. Now let's try second gear. I'm going to go on down here to the other end first and then come back. Okay, let's go. Not bad at all. Really not that much difference. This Axial 2-speed is geared pretty close together. All right, guys, I think that's where we'll call it quits today. Still one of the best looking Lexan bodies out there from any manufacturer. This one's just fantastic looking, and that was a really good test run. I'm gonna look. All right, I just took a minute and flipped it over and felt the temperature of the motor, and it is still nice and cool. So it is not hot whatsoever after that run. So the incident with the 21 Bronco High Trail may have just been a bad motor, but this was an awesome run here today. So if you guys like this content, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.